Yo, what's up guys? And today, I'm going to be ranking the ringtones because I'm kind of bored. Alright, first one, alarm. This one's like a 3. Pretty annoying. Alright, we have Apex. I mean, it sounds pretty good. I have to give it a 6 though. Sounds straight out of a cartoon. Probably like a 5. What is that? It's hella annoying. That's like a 1. Man, that one was kind of good. I have to give it like a 7. That one would be kind of annoying. Say like a 4. Yo, I kind of vibe with that. 7. I vibe with that. Cartoon sound effect. I have to go for 3. Ooh. That's kind of fire. We have to go for a 7. Oh. 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 Yo, by the seaside, it's a 10. It's goated. Oh, that's like a 4. Yeah, it's kind of a vibe. Like a 6, maybe. Yeah, that was kind of fire. 10. Sounds kind of mid. Like a 4, 5. Oh, brother, this guy stings. Like, this is a boring one. I have to go for like a 2. That one's pretty good. Like a 6. Ooh. That's like a 1. That does not sound good. It's just a doorbell. Like a 4. I mean, it's better than the dog one, so like a 3 maybe. It's still annoying though. Ooh. That sounds pretty good. This sounds pretty good. Like a 7. Well, that one's mid. 5. Ooh, like a 6. That one was like cool. This is the OG. Like a 6. Oh, that's annoying. If I woke up to that, I'd be like so annoyed. Like 2. This one's a vibe. Oh yeah, for now I'll have to give like a 10. For this one, That's pretty good. Like a 5. That one's kind of mid. I mean, it's okay. I mean, it's alright. Like 6. Ooh. That one's the OG banger. You have to go for an 8. 5. That's a 5, 5, 5. Oh, that sounds annoying. That sounds annoying. Like a 2. This is my personal favorite. That one's a banger. We have to go for a 10. Okay, that one's not bad. Like 7. Like a 6. It's pretty good. Yo. That one's so good. 10. That one's very good. That's also a 10. It sounds like you're in the jungle. And then the one after it's just like a 5. It sounds like the opening of like a rap song. Okay, that one was pretty good. You're like, like a 5. That one's pretty fire. 9. Oh, that one's just pretty basic, like a 2, 3. Actually, no, 3. That one's pretty fire. That's like a 10. That's pretty good, like a 8. Ugh. I hurt my ears. That one's pretty mid, like a 2. What was that? That one started good. Like a 7. Sounds like a song. Probably like 7 again. Sounds like a thing that I can hear in the field. Like a 6. That one was pretty good. 8. Sounds like it'd be out of a horror movie, like a 5. a 3. Actually, no, 4. That one's really good. Like an 8. Well, that was pretty good. Like a 9. That was very good. That was good. Like a 7. And that was good. 7. Alright, that's all for this video. Hope you had a great time listening. Okay, bye.